It is Sunday, November 5th, 2017. And the reason for this video today is because of some footage that I captured last night of the full moon, or what's also known as the either hunter's moon or the beaver's moon, depending on what your preference is. And I wanted to record it because there were some amazing clouds that were at about 20 degrees off the horizon. And I wanted to capture the moon. I wanted to record the moon coming up over the clouds. But I also wanted to capture the clouds and anything that could be in the clouds within the images that I was taking. So I was going back and forth with some spot metering between the moon and the actual clouds itself. And I caught some amazing anomalies. Two flybys of these huge objects, which I'm going to show you. And then if you can look at this video, it's the red, what looks like it should be a lens flare, but it actually isn't. I wasn't having any lens flares. And then at, I believe it's at 29 seconds, either 19 seconds on in this first clip, which I'll go ahead and narrate for you as well to show you what was going on. The clouds, the sky turned pink, and you can actually see a red reflection coming off of the bottom of the moon. So there were three anomalies in this video, or the multiple videos that I took last night, just because I had battery issues and so forth, that I'm going to show you right now. So sit tight, folks, and let's take a look at what's going on. Alright, so this is actual footage that I took, and you can actually see the different pulsating colors there. It goes back from a natural day, or moonlight I should say, right here, to a different intensities of red. And like here we go right now. At this point, the clouds just started getting very pink, very intense. And it seemed to be on the bottom of the moon was where the most intense color of red was, looked like it was actually emanating from. So there, it looked, obviously the moon isn't a light source, it's a reflector. So it was reflecting something down at where I'd say 5 o'clock in the from the moon would be, in order for me to get that shadow. That looks like a lens flare there, but this is a pretty interesting piece right here. So we're going to go to the anomalous flybys of these huge objects right now. Let's take a look. So again, this is actual raw footage that I took last night, as you can see by my shaky hands with the tripod as I was trying to get adjusted. Get prepared to see at 3 minutes and 41 seconds from the lower right hand side, just about 4 o'clock, you're going to see this object fly behind the moon and come out the other side in a direct straight path. Here we go. Did you see that? Actually able to see it through the viewfinder. It actually just was incredible to see. But let me slow this down a little bit. I'm still rolling live footage right now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this video here, and I'm going to go back to the freeze frames. I'm shooting at 60 frames per second, and I got 33 actual images from this. So it flew by in that amount of space behind the moon in half of a second. It was moving at a very high velocity. So let's go ahead and take a look at the stills.
Pleni sunt
you're going to see the flyby just above the moon at 6 minutes and 54 seconds. So you're going to see the same object or a similar object in shape and size fly by from right to left. I'm going to leave this at original speed, and then I'm going to go ahead and insert the stills as I did on the first clip. So about 14 more seconds and you're going to see this flyby. So keep your eyes looking at 12 o'clock above the moon. And there it goes.